Hi, I'm Ken, the owner and CEO of Unit A Creatives. Over the years, we have been through a lot, from the birthing pains, the highs and lows, and everything in between. Unit A Creatives is composed of passionate and skilled young professionals who never settle for the usual. In contrast, we aim to set trends and outdo ourselves in every project. Helping us make the magic happen are our extra limbs, our roster of equipment that we have built over the years on constant upgrade. Add to this is the recent development of our own studio, allowing us to shoot content in an indoor setup catering to the needs of this demographic. Unit A Creatives is proud to have worked with local government units, private individuals, local and global brands including Petron, Caltex, and the proudly Negrense brand Don Papa Rum. Unit A Creatives has provided clients with photo and video coverage, photo and video editing, aerial coverage and mapping, music, video, and film productions, all for different purposes, may it be commercial, tourism, or supporting advocacies. Unit A Creatives also has a full functioning editing room to cater the needs of clients online. We have already worked with several companies and individuals providing materials for their social media marketing campaigns. We are Unit A Creatives, and we are looking forward to work with you.